India is reportedly gearing up for a major missile test that could mark a turning point in its strategic capabilities. Scheduled for August 2025, the test has drawn attention due to a series of revised NOTAMs noticed to airmen, with the latest update extending the no-fly zone to a staggering 4,795 kilometers off the Odisha coast. A NOTAM is a public alert issued to pilots and air traffic controllers about potential hazards in the airspace, often due to military activity like missile launches. This unusually large test corridor has sparked intense speculation. Is India preparing to unveil the long-awaited Agni-6, its most powerful intercontinental ballistic missile ICBM yet? India's previous missile tests typically involved no-fly zones around 1,560 kilometers, stretching it to nearly 4,800 kilometers, suggests something far more ambitious. Interesting to note here that Agni-6's rumored capabilities, which include a strike range between 9,000 and 12,000 kilometers, possibly even reaching 16,000 kilometers with a lighter payload. Such a vast test zone strongly hints at intercontinental intent. Several factors support the theory that this test could be the debut of an advanced missile. First, the extended range might reflect a lofted trajectory test, a method where the missile is launched at a steep angle to limit its horizontal travel while still validating propulsion and re-entry systems. Analysts estimate that a missile launched on a 78-degree lofted trajectory with a 4,800 kilometers downrange could achieve a full-range capability of around 12,000 kilometers. The scale and timing of the NOTAM revisions suggest the missile may carry advanced technologies, particularly MIRV multiple independently targeted re-entry vehicle. Agni-6 is expected to carry 10 to 12 MIRV warheads, each capable of striking different targets spread hundreds of kilometers apart. Testing such a system requires a broader safety corridor, which could explain the expanded NOTAM. This would mark a major leap from Agni-5, which, while MIRV-capable, has a confirmed range of 5,000 to 7,000 kilometers. The strategic context adds weight to the speculation. With China expanding its military footprint, particularly through platforms like the DF-41 intercontinental ballistic missile and the JL-3 submarine-launched ballistic missile, India may be accelerating its ICBM program to maintain credible deterrence. A missile with a 12,000 kilometers range would allow India to target not only regional threats but also strategic assets far beyond, including Chinese ballistic missile submarines operating in the southern Indian Ocean or Central Pacific. The evolution of the Agni missile series supports this trajectory. From Agni-1's 700 kilometers range to Agni-5's 5,000 to 7,000 kilometers, each iteration has pushed the envelope. Agni-6 is the logical next step, and the current test parameters fit the pattern of incremental advancement. The sheer scale of the NOTAM suggests India may be preparing to validate a missile that goes far beyond its predecessors. Finally, the development timeline aligns with this possibility. Reports indicate that Agni-6's design was completed years ago with hardware development underway. A test was expected as early as 2017, but was delayed. The repeated NOTAM revisions now suggest India is ready to move forward. This test could be a conservative demonstration designed to avoid international alarm while laying the groundwork for a full-range trial in the near future. If successful, Agni-6 could be inducted by 2027, significantly enhancing India's strategic posture.